Good evening. You've made it to the home stretch of Greenback Night. My name is Mr. Ron, and I teach your student in medical microbiology. This is the second of the 4 courses required to complete the biomedical science pathway. The first being biotech, which they took last year with Mr. Richter. The next one they should be taking is either anatomy and physiology or pathophysiology. And the final one they would be taking is that practicum with Mr. Richter again. My email is posted on the door. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I would like to give a quick little overview of what this course is and a course description. So medical microbiology is a course that is designed to explore the world of microbials by studying topics such as pathogenic and non-pathogenic microorganisms, as well as laboratory procedures, identifying microorganisms, drug-resistant organisms, and emerging diseases. So we do about 32 labs this year, give or take some. The students do have real-world hands-on experience working with different microbes. We are a biohazard level 1 lab, so we work with everything from E. coli all the way up to Staphylococcus aureus, which can cause different things depending on where these bacteria land. So I just want to reiterate to you as parents, as well as the students, that I am very strict on lab safety, and that's not because I want to be a stickler and we aren't going to have fun in lab, but because I want to keep everyone safe and healthy from the microorganisms that we use here in the lab. So we do quite a few bits of lab here in Med Micro. So I do have one required course material, and that is a carbon copy lab notebook. That is posted on Blackboard and was required last year for biotechnology. It is the same material. That is just so students aren't taking laptops back into the lab where they can possibly expose other students to germs. They have their own lab notebook that can be disinfected relatively easily and moved to the back in front of class without making other students sick. If for any reason you have trouble obtaining these materials, please reach out to me and let me know. My email, once again, is posted on the door. Just shoot me a quick email and I will make sure that we order a couple with our science budget to get those in the hands of students in need. I do want to go over my grading policy really quick. I have daily assignments and homework at 30% of the grade. Quizzes and lab reports are 30%, and then test and projects are 40%. I do accept late work up to 3 weeks after the assigned date or after the material is tested on at a 20% deduction, depending on which one comes first. Then finally, I would like to introduce you to our classroom pet. His name is Stubbs. He is a 2-year-old bearded dragon. He is missing his back feet. That's why we call him Stubbs. I did send paperwork home at the beginning of the year for students to interact and handle with him, and that is because we do use him in lab. They are natural carriers of salmonella, so our students will do environmental sampling and see if they can isolate salmonella. Like I said earlier, please reach out if you have any questions and have a great night. Thank you so much for listening.